This is Cardos Cakes and Chops. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make coconut cookies, soft and delicious. For this recipe, I'll be using 120 gram of margarine, half cup of sugar, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 medium-sized egg, quarter teaspoon of salt, and half cup of coconut flakes. The first thing I'll be doing is to mix the wet ingredients. So into a clean bowl, I'll be adding the margarine. If you're just stopping by for the first time, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials on cakes, bread, and chops. I'll be mixing the margarine for just a bit before adding the sugar into it. Drop a comment and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I'll be adding the sugar, the whole sugar, into the margarine now. With the hand mixer, I'll be mixing the two together until it becomes pale and fluffy. This is an easy coconut cookies recipe. This recipe is melt in your mouth. It's so delicious. I'll be scraping the sides of the bowl now. Then I'll go ahead and keep mixing. What type of cookies do you like? Do you love coconuts? If you love coconuts, you will love these coconut cookies. If you notice, the color of the margarine is changing, and of course that is what we want. Time to add the egg. After adding the egg, I will give it a short mix. Then afterwards, I'll then add the flavors. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor and 2 teaspoons of coconut flavor. 1, 2 teaspoons. After that, I'll go ahead and mix. Keep mixing to combine well. I'll be scraping the sides of the bowl now. Don't forget to scrape the sides of your bowl anytime you're mixing your batter. I will continue to mix now until I get a fluffy and lighter consistency. Look what we have here. You can see the butter is much lighter now. With this look and this consistency, I'm done mixing. I will set the mixer aside, then prepare the dried ingredients. But before the dried ingredient, let me prep the fresh grated coconut. This is freshly grated. I'm adding some sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar into it. Then I'll be giving it a good mix to combine well. The additional sugar into the fresh coconut is to make it sweeter. I'm going to fold the fresh coconut into my batter. So right now, let me work on the batter a bit. I'll be using my spatula to give it a mix. This is the time to mix the cookies. But first of all, I'll be sieving my dry ingredient, which is the all-purpose flour, over the cookie batter. I'll be adding the flour bit by bit. While I sieve, I will be folding in the all-purpose flour into the cookie batter. I'll be adding the baking powder and the baking soda towards the end. So I'll continue mixing, adding the all-purpose flour bit by bit. Sieving. The purpose of sieving is to avoid lumps and dirt. So I'll be adding the remaining now. But before I finish sifting, I will go in with the baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. I'll go ahead and sift all together. This is my 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'll be mixing everything together. There is no liquid for this recipe. So this is the time to fold in the freshly grated coconuts. This cookie recipe is rich in coconuts, fresh coconuts and dried coconut flakes. The fresh coconut is 1 cup of freshly grated coconuts. So I keep folding in gently, gradually, being careful not to overmix. Remember, overmixing our batter will make it come out tough. It will make the cookies tough. I don't want it to be tough. Each time you're mixing, just mix until your batter and every ingredient is just combined. You stop, don't overmix. Now I'll be scooping in the cookie into my baking pan lined with a baking paper. So 1 scoop each, spacing them. So after that, the next thing I'll be doing is to pick each scoop, roll it inside the coconut flakes this way, roll round and drop. Roll it around and drop. This is to coat the cookie with enough coconut flakes and drop. This is what I'll do to all of them. After coating, I'll be transferring the baking pan into my refrigerator to sit there for 10 minutes before baking. And while in the refrigerator, my oven is preheating. Don't forget to preheat your oven before baking. I'll be baking these cookies for 170 degrees centigrade for 25 minutes. And here we have a well-baked coconut cookies. Very soft, melt in the mouth and absolutely delicious. If this is your first time here and you find this recipe useful, like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. This recipe, this cookie is so soft, crumbly, and melt in the mouth. This is delicious. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next one.